It's the Midnight Road. Today we're going to do an unboxing from Birchbox. I did one last month and I got 2 free boxes. I got their July box, I got their celebration box from their anniversary in June for 5 years, I believe it was, and then I also got the September one. This time I got the October box. Sorry, Dad, I said November then. We're jumping ahead. I got the October box, plus I got 2 free boxes again. The 2 free boxes were the same as last month, so I got another July box, because that's what you're given. So I got another July box for free. And I got another one of their celebratory boxes, which I believe was for June. So I got another one of these. I did open these in my last video, so if you want to see me open these, I might put these at the end, or I might do these. I did do these in the last one I did, but this was also June's. So what I might do is just give you a quick rundown of these at the end. I don't know for how much longer you can actually get these, because I've now got them twice. Purely by accident, I just ordered this month's box and it said I got 2 free boxes. They just happened to be the 2 that I got last month, which is a shame. It would be nice if it had been something different. So what we'll do is we'll come back to them in a minute and we will concentrate on these ones. I might do them in a giveaway because I don't need 2 sets of the same things. But we'll do the October box and then we will come back. So the October box looks like this. This says days like these. This is the October Birchbox. It's £10 a month and you get 5 items. The boxes are done like this, so you can store them in your house like little drawers, which is meant to be pretty cool. I have no idea what's in this month. I've seen no spoilers, no nothing. So I have no idea. So, days like these. Full-size items in this month as one of your Birchbox benefits. Plus, once you've received 6 boxes, you get 15% VIP discount. So you get 10% off any of these you buy online out of their shop. Following a hectic summer, we're welcoming the new season with a change of pace. Days like these is all about embracing autumnal nostalgia in the best way possible, slowing down and cozying up at home. So there is a sneak peek for November, and that is the sneak peek. We're getting a Manicarda Beauty Diamond Dust Rollerball eyeshadow worth £15, and the colours are pink or enchanted, so it's pink or brown. I don't know why boxes do pink constantly. They're obsessed with pink. It's either pink or brown or pink or red or pink and pink and pink. Add shimmer colour to your eyelids, and then there's a competition down below. Inside we have the products, and we seem to have 6 this month. Usually we only get 5, but there seems to be 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 full size items. We have a 4-star review on Birchbox item, and then we have what I believe is an extra. Okay, so let's see what we have. Okay. Ooh. Taking a bit of getting out of here. Right, so the first item was an option. You got to choose silver or gold. So I chose the Beauty Pro Thermal Foil Mask in Warming Silver. This is a hydrotherapy mask with vitamin C and green tea, suitable for all skin types. It's self-warming, energizes complexion foil mask. So you got silver or gold. You actually got an option of this when you actually signed up to Birchbox. They sent you an email and then you pick which one you wanted. It's a high-tech sheet mask infused with brightening vitamin C, soothing green tea, and it's self-warming. Apply to skin, leave for 15 to 20 minutes, then remove and massage in any extra serum. This is a full-size item. I'm quite interested in it. I've never used a warming mask, so that's going to be something quite new to try. The next item is Max Factor 2000 calorie mascara. This is, oh, the face mask is £6. It's £5.95. This is £7.99. This is a full size item. In today's age of mascara, with souped up otherworldly wands and formulas, we found the perfect in this cult makeup favourite. Simply put this formula, sorry about that. So yeah, rich in pigment. Let's have a look. It's been one of those days today. So it looks like this. Got a big brush, and it's obviously in black. It intensifies volumes to lashes, and it is a full size item. Next one. Ooh, this is tiny. This is the Winky Lux, and this is a sample size. Looks like this. Probably can't see it, but it's all glittery. This lip gloss may appear super bright and bold in the tube, but once on your lips, it ends up as a rosy hue. Apply it directly to your lips with the applicator and watch it transform. So basically, although it looks really bright in there on your lips, it just kind of gives it like a clear sparkle. It's £13 full price, and obviously this is a sample size. It's Disco Gloss in Far Out. Looks kind of cool. Does look kind of bright. So it looks like this, and obviously on your lips it just ends up being like a see-through gloss. So that's kind of cool. You can use that for Christmas maybe. Oh, this one's heavy. What's this? Daily Concepts Multifunctional Soap Sponge Charcoal. Ooh, it's in mild. We've been getting a lot of sponges recently. This is £6. It's a 2-in-1 soap, combines a detoxifying charcoal cleanser with a gentle exfoliating sponge. You can skip a step in your skincare routine. Wet the sponge, squeeze it to create foam and lava. Rinse and bask in the squeaky clean feeling. So that's kind of cool. We did get a sponge like this in another one recently that I subscribed to. Then we got this. This is the Bergamot Lime Schmidt's by Schmidt's. Never heard of this. Let's have a look. This is a natural deodorant. Okay. Show your underarms some love with this no nasties deodorant made from 100% natural ingredients. It's plant-based. Applies to your underarms. Excuse me. So, looks weird. I've never heard of a deodorant like this. But it looks like this. Okay, and that is £10.50. And then they threw in a little extra this month. Ooh, we love an extra. And the extra, let me hold it this way around. The extra is this. Just a little sample. It's a sample of Lume. And this is a hydrating recharge overnight cream for all types. Lock in the moisture from dusk till dawn. This is £17.90 full size. This is obviously a sample sachet. Rich shea butter and birch sap work in harmony to hydrate and leave you feeling boosted and recharged. So that's a little sample. So that's pretty cool. So that's the sample. And then you obviously got your 5 products for £10. You got the mascara, the lip gloss, you got the sponge, you got the face mask and the deodorant. So all in all, it's not an overly exciting box. The mask is fine. I'm interested in the mask. The mascara, not so much. The glitzy thing, nah. Charcoal, probably. Deodorant, yeah. So it's an okay box. I wouldn't say it's like amazing, but I'd say it's alright. And then I got a coupon in here for 43 prints to make your memories. Just download it from La Lab. Oh, I've done La Lab before. Use your code below and then pay £1.69 for the postage. So I get 43 prints
All I do is pay $1.69 for postage, which is a bargain price. I've done that loads before from them. So that was that, and that was the October box. There were 2 other boxes that I got free. I will just show you because I don't know for how many months they're actually doing these free boxes. They did it last month. They've done it this month. I got the July box last month for free, the same as this month. And it contained what's in it for me, shower scrub. It had the chlorine floral. It had the Wonders Overnight Recovery hair stuff, which is pretty cool. It had the B&B Golden Glow. This was the illuminator. We also got another Manicada item as well. This is the brow, eye and cheek. It's in this kind of tan brown. Like I said, I had these already. Like I said, I got the 3 boxes last month, so these are all the same products. So if you saw my September unboxing, you will have already seen these in full detail. So if you want to know more about these boxes, you can go back to my September one and you will see that I did review all 3, the September and both the 3 boxes. This one was their June birthday one, and this was in conjunction with, I believe it was Whittard's tea. Yeah, Whittard's tea. It was a collaboration one to celebrate their 5th birthday. So they had special items. They had the special tin made, and then they had some special items in it. They had the Pore Professional Primer as well. They had a Polar Visage Corpse Fun Fluid Face and Body. You can see more of these in the September one. You had the Glam Glow Super Cleanse. We had a Jeu d'Automne Smoothing Balm. And then we also had the Ella Dean London, I believe it's pressed glitter in there. So we got all of them. If you want to see all of them in full, you can go to my September unboxing where I did review all of them. And then I got special codes to use in the shop, special codes to use as a VIP, as a thank you. And then because it was a collaboration with Whittard's, you also got a sample of tea from Whittard's as well. 3 individual wrapped tea bags in Earl Grey, Mango and Vermont, and Lemon and Ginger, just to advertise them as well, because that's who the box was in conjunction with. Not sure why it was in conjunction with a tea company, but I do like the design of the box. I now have 2 of these, and I now have 2 of the July boxes, so I'm either going to do a giveaway, or I will sell the items possibly online, or maybe do it at my school fete that happens. I'm not sure yet, but the tin was lovely. And if you want to see both this box and the July box in more detail, you can watch that on my September unboxing, which I will link at the end, as well as all my other unboxings. So this was the October box. Like I said, I wasn't overly excited by it. It had like 2 out of the 5 items that I liked. But like I said, you got 2 free boxes as well. But I don't know how long they're doing them for. I don't think you can order this box anymore. You might be able to. You'd have to check. I think they stopped these soon. But the free boxes I've got twice now. So hopefully next month they won't be sending me another 2 free boxes. Although it is nice, I already have them twice now. So if you want to take a look at Birchbox, please do so. If you want to like and subscribe to me, that would be awesome. If you want to follow me, you can follow me on Twitter for more updates on my boxes and just day-to-day life of the Midnight Raven. And I hope to see you very soon for another unboxing. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye.